So we've looked at how to add items to a dictionary, and we've also looked at how we change or update items in a dictionary. Now we're going to look at how to remove items from a dictionary. We have a pop method, which takes an argument of a key and it removes the element or the item in a dictionary with the specified key. There's a pop item method associated with dictionaries, and it removes the last item added to the dictionary. Remember, dictionaries are ordered, so we can think in terms of first and last. We can delete an item using the del Python function, which is not a dictionary method, it's the outer Python function. And if we say dictionary name with a key, it deletes that specific item from a dictionary. And again, being consistent as with lists and sets and tuples, clear will clear all items in the dictionary, and del will delete a dictionary, which means remove it absolutely from memory. Let's take a look at some code. So I'm going to create our dictionary, which is our Hamlet dictionary. Let's run the debugger. Clear our window. Okay, so we create our dictionary, mydict, and once that is created, we print the original dictionary. We say mydict is, and it prints it in the standard fashion. Key value pairs within curly brackets. Key and values are separated with colons, and key value pairs are separated by commas. And now we say pop value. And the pop value is a variable, and it is equal to, and we're going to pop a value from the dictionary. And we say pop variable mydict.pop audience, comma, not found. So we're giving the key and we're giving a default value. And I'll tell you a little bit about what this default value is. I run this line and I print the value of pop value, which is the variable. And it says the value popped for the key audience is alone. Okay, remember the value in the dictionary that we created? We had audience alone. That was the key value pair. We popped the value. It returned the value. So the return value we assigned to a variable called pop value in the code. And then we print the dictionary and we notice that the audience key is gone. Okay, we have popped it. It has been removed from the dictionary. Now, the pop method has an issue. If we give it a key which does not exist inside the dictionary, then it returns an error. Okay, and your program would stop. A very simple way of going around this is to provide a default value which says, if a key is not found, what do you return? So if I had asked it for pop item table, which was not a key in the dictionary, instead of causing an error, the default value saying not found would have been returned. So this is a good way of doing things. If we use the pop item method of the dictionary, then the last item in the dictionary is removed. If we look at the dictionary, we notice that it starts with play and the last item is words. So we say pop value is equal to mydict.pop item, no arguments. And then let's see what it pops. The item popped is, now notice, it's a pop item. And an item is a key value pair. It's not just a key, it's not just a value. Pop returned a value. Pop item returns a key value pair as a tuple. So it returned words, comma 250 as a key value pair as a tuple. And the remaining dictionary is whatever we had before, except now words and 250 have also been deleted. Now, items can also be deleted using the del function, as I mentioned earlier. Again, del, and then giving the dictionary name and a key value will remove that specific item. So if I say del mydict and then as an index I say scene, then the value and the scene associated with the key scene will be removed from the dictionary. So let's see. And once I do that and I print the dictionary, now it does have play, author, year, soliloquy, publisher, act, speaker, but no scene. Scene is gone. Finally, if I say mydict.clear, it clears the entire dictionary. It's gone, finished. If I print it, it's now an empty dictionary. And then, as with this, tuple sets, if I use the Python function called del, mydict is removed from memory. I don't want to print it. I can't print it. If I try to print it, obviously it will throw an error because it doesn't exist anymore. So we have now seen how to delete items from a dictionary using a key. And we've also seen how to clear a dictionary using the clear method. And we've seen how to delete a dictionary or remove it from memory.